began my journey with the Welsh National Youth Opera when I was 17, and I did the Sleeper with them, which was a commissioned opera that they did here in Cardiff Bay. Actually, it was a site-specific opera.
So my first production with WNO was Camilla Tonin back in 2016, so it would have been about 2021. I think as a singer I've developed vastly since being involved with youth opera, mainly as a team member, because WNO has a big emphasis on making sure all participants know each other, work well with each other, which really does show in our productions because we are like a family throughout the rehearsal process.
I joined WNO Youth Opera in 2016, so that was about when I was 29. I've learned about the power of opera, power of how an operatic performance can change people's minds, but also about the power of how opera can change people who get into opera and how it can change their lives.
Regardless of whether or not you're from the youth company or the main house company, the rehearsals are conducted very similarly, if not exactly the same, because the Welsh National Opera as a company like to nurture young talents, and so the best way to do that is to treat them as the young professionals that they are.
So it's quite a unique model, I thought, to have the college students as well as professionals work together, and it sort of gets the best out of both worlds.
Martin is a fantastic director in the fact that no stone is left unturned.
He encourages us to read the book because it's a wonderful book written by Sister Helen Prejean. Because this is a real life story, we actually go and find all the facts.
He wants to make sure that each individual character has a backstory, that you know who you are, where you are, when you are.
I expect people to come and think about the issue of death penalty. I, for example, did not know that it still existed in the USA.
And the music is great, it's not too contemporary, so it's accessible for all audiences, and I think it's just going to be a great show.